change oil on the green machine, my Volvo Penta from 1984. Yeah. So when you want to do that, it's important to have the right tool, and one of the essential tools is the oil extractor. Yeah, and make sure that you get one which has enough capacity for all the fuel and all the oil in your engine. Yeah, so the capacity of this one here is 6 liters, and we have in our engine about 5 liters of oil. Okay, so to extract the oil, I normally use there's the extraction point over here, behind here somewhere. Cannot see it on the camera, but I cannot even see it without light. So here, the oil sum is here. So don't lose that one. Let me put this one on the pipe that goes to the bottom of the. You cannot see it, but it's in here. So okay, and then we pump here. And you can see the oil coming up. Okay, now it's all black. All liters out. You can't get all out, but nearly. So okay, so of course you have to be careful with this one here. Not get oil everywhere. Not easy on a boat because there's not much space. So don't forget to replace the cap on the pipe where you suck the oil out. Otherwise you're gonna have a trouble running the engine. Okay. Oh, this one should only have been finger tight.
Remove your hands and see what you have. Okay.
This is the oil filter. It needs to come off. Filming?
Yep.
Okay. Come on. Here without one of these, it's difficult to get it off. Yeah, okay. So in order to, let's say, reduce the mess, you put a plastic bag like this. Hopla. It comes off and all the oil goes into the plastic bag. Like that. Very good. And then what is important when you fix a new filter is to have the right filter. But also you have the O-ring here. So before you fix it, you put a little bit of oil on the O-ring. Just a little bit. Like that. Okay, just to ensure the seal. And then it goes on here. And then you tighten it. It shouldn't be too tight, just hand tight. Like that. Okay, and new oil, look at it. How beautiful, like honey.